My name is Popat and I'm an instructor for ME BIOM 531 Materials Engineering class. I want to talk a little bit about the syllabus and how this class is going to go throughout the semester. I hope you all have the file which is uploaded on RAMCT for the syllabus of this class. I want to go over some of the basics of this class, how this class is going to go over, what are my expectations, and at the same time tell you a little bit more about how this class is going to be conducted. Before I start talking about the details about the class, I just want to mention that I will be available every Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2 to 4 p.m. to answer any questions that you have, either by email or by phone. My phone number and email are listed on the syllabus that you already have. Again, sometimes I know you can make those times, and if you can make those times to email me or call me, let me know when would be convenient, and we can figure out a convenient time for both, for you as well as me, to discuss some of the issues that you have. I wanted to talk a little bit about the RAMCT. That's the portal that we are actually using for this class, and I hope you all are familiar with how RAMCT works, how some of the tools in RAMCT works, whether it's downloading the notes, taking online quizzes, and at the same time, how to upload your homeworks and assignments on that. We are using RAMCT as a tool, and everything will be done on RAMCT. So when you have an homework, you're going to submit your homework also on RAMCT. When you look at your homework, there's also a link there which says submit, and when you click that, you will see a place where you can attach a document, whether it's a Word document or a PDF, and you can attach either of those. Once I grade it, I will scan it and I'll upload it back, so in that way you will have the graded homework or assignment, so you know what your grades are. I'm also going to use the grade tool on RAMCT a lot, so everything that you are doing throughout the semester will be posted there. All the homework grades will be posted, all the quiz grades will be posted, and you'll know your progress throughout the semester. There's going to be no secrets or no surprises in the end when you get the final grade. Also, I wanted to talk a little bit about the grading scheme that I'm going to use for this class. I usually curve the grade, so I don't go by absolute grades. I see how the whole class is performing, and then based on that I adjust the grades. But I want to go into how the grading system is divided. As you can see from your syllabus, you have a final exam which will be conducted in the finals week. The final exam will figure out the schedule and will decide the proctoring, adjustments and all those things we'll do at a later stage. But you'll have a final exam, and 35% of your grade actually is based on a final exam. So it's a major portion of your grade depends on final exam. And final exam is cumulative. So everything that we do from the first class till the last class is all going to be covered in the final exam. You're going to have homeworks throughout the entire semester, and the homeworks are going to be about 20% of your overall grade. I just want to stress this again. You have to submit the homework by deadline using the RAMCT tool as a doc or a PDF file. I know many of you have busy schedules, and if you cannot finish in time, and if you have a genuine reason, email me or call me and we can discuss that situation case by case. You're also going to have journal articles to review throughout the entire semester. As you all know, this is a graduate class, and one of the goals of this class is to make you aware about the current research which is going on in the field of material science and engineering. At the same time, I want you guys to learn how to critically read something and give your own comments or critique about what research is being done, and that's what I'm going to look for when you submit your journal review back to me. It's a one-page review. There are instructions of how to write that review online on RAMCT. Make sure you read that document and let me know if you have any questions. And this is going to be about 15% of your grade. It's going to be based on journal articles. You are going to have a project. I'll talk about the project in detail later, but your project is going to be about 25% of your grade. And 5% of your grade is going to be based on the participation. I want you guys to interact with each other, ask questions with each other, ask me questions, and how you interact with me and with each other is going to be accounted in that 5% of the grade. I also want to mention there are 2 required textbooks for this class. They are listed in your syllabus. Make sure you have those textbooks. Either you can get it from the library, or if you want to purchase it, either way would be fine. but these are important resources with which you can actually learn more about what we'll be talking in the class throughout the semester. Also, I want to stress that make sure you go over your undergraduate materials class. If you have taken that class here at CSU, it is ME 331. It's going to be very important that you are thorough with that class, because this 531 class is built upon that undergraduate class. I've also included a lot of additional reading. These are not required reading, but you can always get these from libraries, and you can read specific chapters from these books, because I have used these books in the notes that I have prepared. At certain portions of the notes are from these other sources. Finally, I just want to say that this class is divided into 6 modules. Each of these modules, they have different activities. Some of the modules, they have quizzes. Some of the modules, they have homeworks, research articles to review. As you go over these modules, you will see these different activities. When you go on Ramsey, you will see all the deadlines and everything by which you need to finish all the homeworks and quizzes and all these different types of things. Finally, I just want to mention that performance feedback is very important for me. I would like you guys to email me anytime with any suggestions or any questions that you have to improve this class. At the same time, I will also communicate with you if I feel at some point during the semester that you're not performing up to the standards that I want. And you'll have a lot of input from my side so that you do well in this class and you get good grades in this class. Finally, I just want to say, feel free to email me or call me during office hours. I'm always here to answer any questions that you have, and I hope you enjoy this class throughout the semester. Thank you.